Hello everyone, this is a video on how to fix your Shopify store not loading in your country or some certain countries. Yeah. So let's just take a look at this particular problem here from Shopify's community. All right. So this person is actually, this is a problem also concerning what we want to talk about now. So we're going to fix it right away. Okay, so this person said, I created a Shopify store recently and also bought and linked a domain name from a third-party provider. All right. So this problem majorly, happen to people, trying to connect their domain from a third-party platform to Shopify. If you buy a domain from Shopify, I don't think you have a problem with them. Yeah, with the IP address. So the thing is, the problem with this is just the IP address, and we will change that in this video. Okay. So this is the error you get. This is one of the website I want to fix now. So when you refresh, after refreshing, you get this message. This site can't be reached. Do you understand? So, and the website is live at the moment. So now let's change that. So the main problem of this issue is just the IP address, which is the A record of your DNS. Do you understand? So let's take a look. Let's just take a look. Can you see? This is one of the Shopify partner. He actually said, I can confirm that bstore.com, trying to make reference to this, because this particular person is saying it's almost as if the domain name doesn't exist. But then I visit the same domain with a VPN connected to other countries and it opens. Do you understand? I'm from Nigeria and it does not open in my country. So let's fix this. Let's fix this. All right. So the first thing we need to do is to change the A record of our domain. Do you understand? We need to change the IP address of the A record. So now let's log into our, domain registrar account. So this is Hostinger account. This is an Hostinger account. So I'll be using Hostinger account to do the tutorial. All right. The next thing we need to do is to, come to domain. Just locate your DNS settings. Locate your DNS settings. Okay. Click on manage. DNS on name server. All right. You scroll down. Let's locate our A record. Let's locate the A record here. All right, this is our A record. Can you see? This is our A record here. Okay. So now let's try to edit this IP address right here. So we need to change this IP address. Okay, so let's edit. Okay. So now we need to change this. Can you see this is actually pointing to 23.227.38.65. Now we need to change, remove that 65 and write, just type 72. Then click update. Okay, so this is updated now. So now let's try to refresh our website again. Let's refresh this client's website. Let's refresh and boom, this is working now. So basically what you need to do is just to change the IP address of your Shopify store. Yeah, just to change the IP address and that's all. So if there is any question or maybe anything you're facing apart from this, just do well to comment and I'll make a video on that. Thank you.